Hey, what's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Check it out. Today, we get ready to do a crispy buffalo chicken sandwich. Okay, so you guys can see, listen, this right here, I separated it so you guys can tell. This right here is like my breading station, right? That's this. Then when you come over here and look at these ingredients, this right here, this is gonna be for my buffalo sauce. And that's right, folks, that is pickle juice, right? Then when you come over here, I really want you guys to pay attention to how I like lined it out. Everything on this is my buttermilk dressing. This is what we're gonna put on the buns and make it that ooh-wee. Now, don't forget the full ingredient list will be down in the description box below. I don't want you guys to think that I like forgot about it. Look, I had my my chicken breasts. I went ahead and beat them down, tenderized them already, put them in some hot sauce and buttermilk, put them in my refrigerator, and just brought this out just now. I like to do it overnight, but 4 hours, I guess 1 hour to 4 hours would be good. Okay, so look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with, my first station, which would be my breading station, right? Yes, this is corn flakes. Look, that's not no sugar frosted flakes. We got regular corn flakes. Now, the reason I'm putting them in right here, I'm not even finna close this. Look. That's all you need, right? It's nice and, crumbled. Get your breadcrumbs, do that. You guys can get your whisk together, just whisk it all together. Me, I'm just using my hands right now. This right here is okay. You know what I mean? This is all you wanna do. Then when you finish mixing these, set this to the side, and then we move on to our next station. Now look, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up our egg wash, right? Real simple, just go ahead, open these up. Nothing special about it, so I'm not gonna bore you. Let's just go ahead and get these in here, whisk them up, and then we move to the next step. Okay, then we wanna add a little flour. Notice what I'm doing right here. We just need flour just to coat, right? So that's a half a cup. You guys put in whatever you want to put in there. That right there is enough. You know what I mean? We're not trying to like waste. I raised my temperature up to about 320 degrees. Why? Because I had my chicken. It's been in the marinade, right? So it's coming out of the refrigerator. It's gonna be cold. So we're gonna lose some of our heat, right? No worries. You know what I mean? If you guys get a chance, you gotta get yourself one of these. I know, Grandmama, I know you tripping because I know you never use no thermometer to check nothing. But with that being said, look, we got it all set up, right? So over here, look, chicken, it's already wet. So listen, we go from here, we're gonna start flour, egg wash, our breading, and then inside. Real simple, folks. Grab my chicken, right? Now for me, I like to let it, get as much of this off as possible. A little pro tip, if you put it up against the glass or whatever you guys got, tin, plastic bowl or whatever, you'll see it can just start running off, right? Instead of waiting for it to drip. Done that, now we put this in here like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just let that get that way. Then I'll go ahead and do it like this. There's no way you can get around this, folks. You know what I mean? You're gonna have to get your hands a little messy, right? Here, now look, we come in the wash. Come back over here. I got it, some of it's gonna come off, don't worry. Hold this, remember what I told you, a little pro tip. Just let it hang up against the side like that, and you can just watch it kind of just roll off. And then here. Okay, so look, I moved my next set, right? We finna make the sauce, right? So we using pickle juice. I really just wanted to say that because I can hear y'all in the comment section below talking like, hey, what does that do? Now, I already started putting heat underneath my pan. I'm finna go ahead and add just these 2 sticks of butter. Okay, so look, completely melted. Oh, now we come with that hot sauce. Now, I done made this in the past. I usually stop here. I put a couple of little spices in there just to give it a little bit of flavor. You know what I mean? But I want you guys to take a look at this right here. All right? We're just getting started. Remember that pickle juice? Look. Uh-oh, folks. What's he doing? Is he truly leveling this up? I know all my people out there like, man, I don't really do pickle juice. I don't like pickles and all that. Hey, let's trust the process one time. you've been following this channel, I want you guys to take a look and tell me how many times I've steered raw. You see that sauce right there? I know your mind is working, your mouth is watery, all of that. Then we come with that little honey. Now we want to bring it up to a little simmer. Okay, so you can see we got like a little bit of a boil. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my stove, set it to a simmer, and we're gonna go for about, I'm gonna say about 15 minutes, right? Meanwhile, we finna make this amazing. And when I say amazing, it's amazing dressing. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and make our buttermilk dressing, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just drop my shallots in here like this, put this in like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just get these started. You know what I mean? Okay, so look, let me reach down here so I can talk to everybody, right? Now we dump and go. Super easy. Okay, so now we coming down to the wire, folks. Look, this is a Kaiser roll. These taste good too. I'm just trying to make sure I cut this nice, you know what I mean? It's a serrated knife, bread knife, right? So you let the bread knife do its thing. Then I'm cutting towards my finger, so I just want to be, this is not the proper way, folks. Do as I say, not as I do, right? And then we got brioche. Now, if you guys watched my last video, you see I just did a copycat Western bacon cheeseburger, right? I told everybody, if you don't know already, you must try using mayo to toast your bun, right? You gotta do it. Ain't no right, just go out and do it. You want it to taste, if you wanna level up, I know everybody say, well, I use butter. Until you tried this and then you came back and told me you didn't like it, you know what I mean? Then we opened up the debate. You know what I mean? I gotta first figure out, are we hating or what? I'm bringing my cast iron up to temp. Okay, so look, I went ahead and got my spider, right? We're gonna go ahead and use this. Now that we done let that, you know, cool, you know what I mean? I'll just do it like this, all right? Okay, so we just got everything coated. I turned it over. Now we finna put this dressing on here like this. You know, just go ahead and coat that bottom one. You can coat the bottom and the top, right? Here we go. We do this. That's up to you, the size of chicken that you do. You know what? I use breast. If you guys want to go ahead and do it out of some type of, you can do boneless, skinless, chicken thighs, however you want to do it. That works. And then we really finna open up the debate, right? So, tell me what kind of pickles you want to put on there. For me, it's bread and butter all day. I'm open for the debate. Let me read them comments. And then let me ask you guys this. Do you guys put your pickles on the bottom bun or the top? Or does it even matter? Real interested to see what you guys say. Sauce is over the top. You can see both of these. And remember, you can put your chicken on here, cut your chicken down as big as you want it. You can marinate like I did overnight, or you can do 1 hour to 4 hours, you know, like if you in the crunch. Hey, with that being said, these is fire. I gotta take some pictures, you guys. Hey, once I get that, that'll be the thumbnail that made you click on this video. With that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just take the time to say, hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.